Hello everyone, today I will show you another cable design idea for a double bed knitting machine. If you would like to download a chart for this design, join me on Patreon. I will leave a link for it in the description down below. So I casted on 40 stitches for this sample. I have all needles in action on my ribber bed, and on my main bed I have 3 sets of 4 stitches with 2 out of action in between in the very middle, and 3 sets of 2 stitches with 2 out of action each side. You can of course do any design you like on the sides. This is going to be a repeat pattern. If you want to start the repeat at any other point you can do so, but this is where I started. So I have the 3 sets of 4 stitches in the middle, and I'm going to form a 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches in the very middle. We'll also transfer the 2 closest stitches, 1 stitch to the left or to the right or towards the cable. Pull the needles that form the cable all the way out and knit 2 rows. Continue transferring those 2 stitches again, and now we have 8 stitches next to each other in the center. Knit 2 more rows. Continue transferring, so there are 6 stitches remaining, so we will decrease 2 stitches this way. I will do a 2-step transfer, so these 2 stitches are at the front, pick up the 3rd stitch, transfer the 2 remaining stitches and then put that 1 stitch back. Repeat the same process on the other side. Pick up the 3rd stitch, transfer the 2 remaining stitches and put that 1 stitch back. After knitting 2 more rows, transfer in the same way to have 4 stitches remaining. At this point I will form those 2 stitches that we decreased back by grabbing the purl bar of the stitches from the ribber bed, like so. I am kind of grabbing 1 stitch from behind these stitches, so it's not very visible. And now we have again 8 stitches in the middle. Knit 2 more rows. Now transfer the 2 stitches at the edges to the left and to the right or towards the outside. Continue with another transfer, and now we are back to having 3 sets of 4 stitches with 2 out of action in between as we initially had. Form a 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches in the very middle and knit 4 rows this time. After knitting the 4 rows, form 3 2x2 cable with the 3 sets of 4 stitches and knit 4 more rows. Pull the needles that form the cables all the way out in order to knit a bit easier. You will have to do a few tension swatches to make sure the tension is not too tight. And this way we have completed one repeat. We'll go ahead and do another repeat. Do a 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches in the very center and transfer 2 stitches closest to this cable, 1 stitch to the left and to the right or towards the middle. Knit 2 rows. Continue transferring and decreasing until you have 4 stitches left in the center. Once you have 4 stitches in the middle, create 2 new stitches each side, so you have 8 stitches in the middle. Then transfer the 2 stitches closest to the edges to the left and to the right until you have 3 sets of 4 stitches with 2 out of action in between. Form a 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches in the very middle and knit 4 rows this time. Form 3 2x2 cables and knit 4 rows. And you have completed another repeat. I used 2 yarns for the sample, one end of around 2 ply cotton and one end of 117 lamb's wool, and I used my plaiting feeder so that the cable is more pronounced. The blue color is at the front and the pink is at the back. If you have a ribber bed, you must have also gotten a plaiting feeder with it. You can create amazing designs using it. Also, you can choose to do more cables here and have an elongated design. That could be really nice as well, and it will make knitting this cable a little bit faster. You can choose to begin and finish a repeat at a different point if you like. It really depends on how you use it and what you want to create with this design. I could see this in a combination with other cables or just as one repeat in the center of a front panel or the sleeve. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them all in the comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!